Everybody, look what I got from ZD Racing. This is the Pirates 2 BX-8E 8th scale 4-wheel drive electric brushless off-road buggy with a 2.4 radio, ready to run. It says here do 50 miles an hour. I have a radar gun. We will check that. You know, I've had some pretty fast trucks in the past, so it'll be good to find out. A little info here and there, some specs. I'll zoom in here on the specs for you. But it's beefy. This is a big box, you can see, and it takes the whole box up. Ba-bam! So, let's start with the radio here, since that's on top. Here's what you'll get for a radio. Feels good in your hands. Off on the side. Has a charge deal there, but looks like it takes 8 AA's probably. Good feeling radio. Got a bunch of adjustments here. You can fine tune things you need to. Throttle trim, steering dual rates, which is kind of cool. Okay. You also get your little charger. Which I see comes with this plug. So fortunately I do have adapters from other models, but I don't see an adapter in here yet, so looks like it charges through the balance port. So there's your charger. This buggy is massive. And the only thing left in the box is the manual. And you've got some little spare parts here. Some zip ties. Some double-sided tape. So, looking at this. This is a beast. Look at that thing. Amazing. Suspension feels good. The shocks. Look at the size of the shocks next to my hand. They're just huge. Great, great looking machine. Nice smooth bottom. Pull the pins, see what it looks like inside there. So you've got your battery will be in here. They've already got Deans on them, which is really cool. There's your brushless motor. Huge center differential there. You've got a fan on your speed control. That's where your receiver will be. Let's have a look at the battery. Here's what it comes with for a battery. I'll just leave that out because I'm going to charge it up. Put this cover back on. So yeah, very nice looking machine. You can see here we've also got some sway bars installed, nice beefy ones. You can see it lifting up the other side, keep it from rolling real easy. Very nice. It just looks great. I love the looks of it. This is going to be fun. I'm excited to try this out. So, we'll get it charged up and we'll go out to the BMX track and let you know how it goes. Like, comment, subscribe. Hey guys, check it out. Here we go. We've got it charged up. We're going to take it for its maiden voyage. So it should be fun. You'll note I forgot the stock antenna. Handles the bumps really well. Not short on the power. rock stuck in it. There we go. Little speed test. Pretty fast. Radared it 39 miles an hour. Awesome. Okay everybody, kind of my final thoughts on the Buggy, 8 scale Buggy. It's awesome. All-wheel drive, you point it in the right direction and pin it and it just boogies. The box says 50. We radared it a best on pavement at 39, maybe 40 tops you could probably get out of it, but that's okay. It's really fast for its size and it's a lot of fun and durable. Only two things to complain about is one, the battery wires. Well, I'm not going to say the battery wires are short. What I'm going to say is, my wife is going to be impressed with me, is just where they go is hard to reach. So I don't know, there's a hole on this side here, but you got to cut it out the rest of the way, which I may do. But I think these wires could be a little longer, or maybe I'll just make an extension for it. And then the other thing would be steering. It would be nice if it turned a little bit sharper, and I'm not sure if that's really adjustable because I don't see any other holes. You can go in on this one, which will make it less, but I don't think on the others you can get more steering out of it. But other than that, runtime is great, handling is great, durability is great. Can't go wrong with this one. So, like, comment, subscribe.